Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable assistive touch on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. On your app to do, in first you just click here on settings. You click on settings, then it's going to take you to settings list. You go down here. So then you click here on accessibility here. You just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on here Josh, you click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on assistive Josh. Then you come here to assistive Josh, click in this sign, like you see color show for us in this sign here, like you see assistive Josh. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.